Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and today I am going to cover another topic, that is how to improve the moon or the planet Chandra in our horoscope. So in this video I will tell you the importance of the moon and the symptoms to recognize how the moon is in your horoscope and what to do if the moon is malefic in your horoscope. Om Guru Bruhaspataye Namaha. The moon, as we know, is a satellite of the earth. Okay, it revolves around the earth and it stays in one zodiac sign for 2.25 days. Okay, so compared to the 9 planets, the moon is the planet which moves fastest through all the zodiac signs. Okay, and the moon in Vedic astrology thus represents the mind, it represents our emotions. Okay, it represents our mental state, it represents our mother, and it also represents the watery content on the earth. Okay, it also represents the water that is present in our body. So what happens when the moon is malefic in the horoscope, okay, is debilitated in the horoscope, or is afflicted in the horoscope? Now when the moon is malefic, generally it is placed in a sign where it is able to produce harm. Okay, for example, if moon is placed in the sign of Scorpio and is conjunct Saturn, say, okay, then the moon is already debilitated, and in addition Saturn imposes additional stress on this moon. Okay, so the moon cannot give good results and the moon becomes malefic in this case. It also forms a powerful Vishyog when it is with Saturn. On the other hand, if moon is with Rahu, Rahu represents obsession, Rahu represents our greed, he represents our desires. Okay, Rahu represents ourselves comparing with others. So this moon can either bring an inferiority complex or it can cause you to go through unending desires. If the moon is with Ketu, Ketu represents detachment. So this kind of person is generally highly spiritual. He is detached from the material world. Okay, he does not desire much comforts, and sometimes he is mentally depressed also. So how do you know if the moon is malefic in your horoscope? Even without looking at the horoscope, this can be easily determined. Okay, first thing is, how do you feel mentally? Do you feel happy? Are you always stressed? Okay, second thing, examine the relationship with your mother. Moon is the significator of mother. So generally, if moon is malefic in the horoscope, your relationship with your mother will never be good. Okay, there will be constant friction with your mother, or you may not like your mother. The next thing is, if moon is weak in the horoscope, you will always be mentally disturbed because moon represents the mind. Okay, you will be highly emotional. Moon also represents our emotions. Next is, moon represents the water content in our body. Okay, so if you are constantly feeling thirsty, okay, it implies that your body requires a lot of water, and because moon is weak, there is not enough water that your body is able to retain or store. Okay, so constant thirst is also a sign of a weak moon or a weak Venus. Moon also represents your mother like figures and widows. Okay, so if you are getting into conflict with these kind of people most of the times, then it means that you have an afflicted moon in your horoscope. So when the moon is afflicted, you will suffer from diseases due to reduction of water content in your body. Okay, so you could get diseases related to the kidney, Okay, the other type of diseases that you may get are tuberculosis, pneumonia. Okay, all these are related to the watery content, right? Tuberculosis is related to the bacteria that comes from the air. Okay, so moon also sometimes can cause tuberculosis when afflicted. Since moon represents the mind and the mental state, severe affliction to the moon can cause diseases related to the mind, related to our mental health, okay, psychological disorders, etc. So now if we are experiencing most of these symptoms, okay, then how do we improve the moon in our horoscope? Even if we are not experiencing these symptoms, and we want to improve our happiness in general, you need to have a moon which is good and gives you good results. Okay, but now if the moon is afflicted, if the moon is debilitated, then how do you go about improving this moon? So from a health perspective, first thing is intentionally start drinking a lot of water. Okay, so if you are facing lot of mental tensions, mental problems, first thing is you start drinking water. Okay, increase the moon content in your body. Okay, increase the watery content in your body, and you will slowly find that your mind starts stabilizing. So drink more water, drink more milk, because these are the fluids related to the moon. Next thing is, on Mondays, that is the day of the moon, okay, you donate water, milk, okay, to the poor people. Also, you can donate white clothes to widows in an old age home, because moon also represents widows, moon represents mother like figures. Okay, so helping these poor people, poor widows, that strengthens the moon in the horoscope. Also, at night, drink milk mixed with a little turmeric or kesar. Why? Because the element of turmeric or kesar represents Jupiter. Okay, and we know that Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer or Karka Rashi. Why is this so? Because Cancer or Karka Rashi is ruled by the moon. Okay, moon represents our mind, it represents our emotions. Jupiter is the guru, the divine teacher who represents bhakti. Okay, so when Jupiter enters into the sign of Cancer or Karka Rashi, okay, the person gets highly spiritual. He is connected to God through his emotions and through his mind mainly. Okay, so this is real bhakti, and therefore Jupiter gets exalted in the sign of Cancer. So when you drink milk, is represented by the moon, and turmeric or haldi and kesar is represented by Jupiter. Okay, so when you mix milk with a little kesar and drink it, you also get the Jupiter element into your body, and this strengthens the moon further. The next thing which you can do is worship Lord Shiva on Mondays. Okay, worship the Shivling with water, milk, and bay leaves. Okay, remember that moon is a great devotee of Lord Shiva, and if you worship Shiva on Mondays, the moon becomes a great benefit to you. The next thing to do is you can keep a complete fast on Mondays. If possible, don't eat or drink anything, but if that is not possible, just eat fruits and have some milk and water on Mondays. So, fasting on Mondays is said to please the moon, and it gives benefic effects. There is also a Vedic mantra of the moon, which is a part of the Navagraha Stotra. Okay, I'll tell you what this mantra is and its meaning. So, the mantra is as follows: Dadhi Shanka Tusharabham Shirodarnava Sambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambhor Mukuta Bhushanam. Okay, Dadhi Shanka Tusharabham means the moon is white like a conch shell and like the curd. Okay, Shirodarnava Sambhavam, one who can be adorned on the head. of Shiva. Namami Shashinam Somam. So I bow to the moon, who is also named as Soma and Shashin. Shambhora Mukuta Bhushanam means one who adorns the head of Shiva like an ornament. So if you see the image of Lord Shiva, he has a small moon on his head. Okay. Now you can also wear a two-faced Rudraksha starting Mondays, because two-faced Rudraksha removes all the ill effects of the moon. Okay. From a gemstone perspective, you can wear a moti or a pearl, a white colored pearl, in a silver ring in the little finger of your right hand starting a Monday after praying to the moon and Lord Shiva. But the most important thing that you should do is drink lot of water, improve relationship with your mother and mother like figures, okay, and start donating water and milk to the poor, not just on Mondays but also do this on other days, and gradually you will find that the moon in your horoscope slowly improves. And once the moon starts improving, you will find that slowly your mental peace and happiness increases. Okay, your relationships with others improve, and overall there will be lot of happiness in your life. So friends, this was my analysis of how to improve the moon in any horoscope and what are the remedies that need to be done if the moon is afflicted or malefic in an horoscope. Now my contact details are given in this slide. For any queries, email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. You can also reach us through our website astroseva.tripod.com or our mobile application Kamath Astrology on Google Play Store. So friends, hope you liked this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel Kamath Astrology if you have not done so by clicking the subscribe button, so that when I add a new video, you are automatically notified. So friends, bye. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, enjoy your weekend, stay home, stay safe.